If this is your first time running the MR72 software, double-click the shortcut on your desktop. When the software runs, it will automatically check for updates. And since this is the first time the software is run, the file banks will be downloaded automatically. This happens very quickly. Now it's finished. The second thing you should do is go to the compiler. Click the compiler button. The compiler is where you select the files you want to load into the MR72. Since this is the first time you're running the software, you want to do a quick test to make sure that the software can communicate with the MR72 and see if the software is working correctly. On the left side are categories. On the right side are frequency files. Starting up at the top, the A to Z All Files list is an alphabetical listing of all the files in all the categories in the software. It's a list that is several hundred entries long. You can also look at files by category. You click Allergy. These are allergy-related files. Blood-related files. Cardiovascular lymph. Dental. Ear. Kidney. Liver. Skin. Sleep. Trauma. So forth. We'll go back to the top and click the Compiled Files category. The Compiled Files category is a list of compiled files supplied by the software that have been found over time to be useful to people in working with different conditions. Let's select the General Wellness file, click the Add button. It adds the files to the spreadsheet. The next thing is to select the number of times that we want the program to repeat. This is the number of times that these programs will be repeated after the initial playthrough. Right now we'll leave it at 0, which is the default. Click Transfer Treatment to Device. Since this is the first time we're using the software, we need to add a name. Click the Add Name button. I've entered John Doe. I'll click the Enter button, select the name, then click Select Name. The software switches to a different screen as it's loading the files into the MR72. And it's going to file this treatment under John Doe. We do this test first just to see if we can communicate with the MR72. If Microsoft Windows cannot see your MR72, then you know you have a problem and you need to troubleshoot it. Now that it's loaded, let's go back to the main menu. This time we'll click the Patient Files button. Here are the list of names. When Patient Files is loaded, whatever name is at the top, their treatments will be displayed. In our case, it's John Doe, and we see the general wellness treatment that we just loaded is there. That's what you need to do the very first time you run the MR72 software.